If you have an Anycubic Kobra 3 Max and you're experiencing a layer shift on your first color change layer, there's a few things to look at on your machine. It's purely mechanical. There should not be a huge gap between your cutting blade arm and the bumper that it needs to press up against. So a few things could be stopping it. Let's take a look. The first thing to take a look at is the screw on the back side of the print head. The screw keeps the bracket on that triggers the flinging mechanism. So make sure that that can easily move in and out. Then take a look at the cutting blade itself. It needs to be properly seated. While you're taking a look at it, you might as well check it and make sure that it doesn't have a nick or that it's dull or broken or anything. Take a look inside there, make sure there's nothing built up or stuck or jammed. So if it looks good, go ahead and reinstall it. When you reinstall it, make sure that you hear that nice, loud, satisfying click. It's got a little clip on it so that it seats. There. If it's installed properly, then it can't be, falling out. Also take a look at this little tray, make sure it's nice and level. If the flicker thing is sticking up, bend it back down. Not enough to stop it or hit the tray when it does the poops. The accuracy of the entire process largely depends on the location of this cutting bumper and your print head's cutting handle. So if there's anything that is making that distance shorter or longer, that's what's your problem. So these are just a couple of things to look at. I'm sure there's other things that could make this process fail. I've heard scenarios ranging from, the poop flicker being bent upwards to there was a piece of shipping foam that was stuck to the back of the print head, and over time it wiggled loose and then it jammed itself in between the print head and the cutting bumper. There's many things that could go wrong. This is just a few of the things that you should check. The last thing I'm going to say is if you have 3D printed a poop or waste deflector shield, make sure that there's clearance for the print head to freely make contact with the cutting bumper and not bounce off it. So take a look at that too. All right, that's it. That's all the tips I could think of for this issue. You know what to do. If you like this content, you want to see more, please like and subscribe. Thanks.